What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. And in this video, I want to cover a overnight work from home job that doesn't require you to be on the phones, and you can make just around $20 per hour helping customers, and they're hiring 3 different people for this position. So if you are interested, stick around to the end of this video, because again, this is a overnight position for those of you who already have a full-time job during the days, or maybe you're just looking for, maybe your schedule doesn't allow you to work in the days and something overnights at home would be best. Then this is good because you're going to be helping customers. You don't need to be on the phone, and you can make around $20 per hour here, so stick around for that. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about jobs and ways to make money. So if you like this type of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That's the only way that you will get the updates of when I post new videos just like this one. If you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can find me on Instagram. The link is down below. But with that said, let's jump right into this video. So the job or the company that I want to talk about today is actually this one. It's Porkbun, and they are in the business of web hosting, domains, email hosting. So basically, if someone needs to create a website, they need to go and get web hosting first, and they provide. So some of the things that they do: domains, transfers, they have auctions, web hosting, email hosting, all the stuff that you need to create your own website or to get your business online. That is what they do here. So they're looking for 3 people to fill a role that they have open. But let's just go over to Glassdoor. So the company is here listed on Glassdoor, but the page is kind of blank because this is a really small company. So I guess no one has reported a salary here or done any reviews, but they are listed on Glassdoor. But this is a really small company, right? So that's it. Now, this is what you'd most likely be doing: email and chat support. So when people come here and they need support, they can hit contact us, or they could do call us maybe, and then they could be put through to a agent who would be able to help them out. Let's go over to the career section of this website, and the position that they have available right now is a technical support representative. It's full-time, night shift or swing shift, weekends included. It's around $40,000 per year, which works out to be just about $20 per hour, not including benefits that you'll get. And this is available in these states. So this is a US only position, and also US only in these states. So let's go through this job description real quickly. So it says, it's time to hire another amazing individual again. Porkbun is a fully remote domain name registrar. We're looking to add multiple US-based full-time technical support representatives. We're hiring from within the states where we are already operational, and it is restricted to these states right here. So Porkbun sells more than 500 domain extensions, and they also say that they offer incredible support and also industry low prices, and they think they have the best registrar on the web. And even though it's the best and the easiest to use, it doesn't always solve every customer's problem. So in this job, these are some of the typical issues that you'll have. People will be asking, how do I connect my domain to Shopify? Or how do I transfer my domain to Porkbun? Or my website isn't working? Or how do I purchase WordPress hosting? Why didn't my payment go through? Why is your company named Porkbun? That's probably a question that some people would have. Now, even if you don't know anything about web hosting and domains, still apply for this job, because here they say, we'll train you. If you've got proven diagnostic ability and love learning new things, specific knowledge of the industry is not required. So again, you don't need to have any experience here. This could probably be your first remote work from home job, and they'll actually train you on how to do this job. So that's really good. Also, important skills that you need to have to do this job: you need to be able to write emails with a professional tone and deliver excellent support. also you need to love the feeling of making the customers happy. You need to be a really good problem solver. You need to have at least 2 years of tech support experience, either at an internal help desk or just a customer facing position. So this could be just any position where you had to interact with customers. Also, you need a steady internet connection, high-speed internet, and also a quiet place to work from. And if you are fine with horrible or hilarious puns, then this is a great place for you to work. So if you are interested, guys, I'll leave the link down below. Again, night shift, swing shift, weekends, $40,000 per year plus benefits. Don't need a ton of experience. I'll leave the link down below. And they have a specific or a particular way in which they want you to apply for this position. And they're doing this so they can filter out people who, didn't read the entire job description or job listing. So be sure to read the entire thing here and apply exactly as how they want you to apply here, right? So attach your resume and cover letter to an email as 2 separate PDF documents. Address your email with the subject line, technical support representative. Answer these questions. Are you based in the US or eligible for employment? Yes or no. Are you available and interested in night shift or swing shift? Do you have 2 or more years of experience? So include all the stuff that they want here in your application. That way your application doesn't get filtered out and just tossed in the trash, so to speak. So they say they're hiring 1 swing shift and 1 night shift, including weekend covering, and the open positions must work one of these shifts. So it's gonna be Sunday to Thursday or Tuesday to Saturday, 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific time or 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Pacific time. And starting pay is $40,000 plus benefits. So I'm guessing that this could go up over time, but you're also getting benefits, so that's really good. And this position will offer you medical, dental, vision after your 90-day probationary period. And you're also getting a simple IRA plan with a company contribution after the first year. And an IRA is kind of like a 401k. It's basically a retirement plan. So that is also good. Now here it says just a little bit more about this company. We're a small team, but we're making a big splash in a multi-billion-dollar industry. And this means a single, very motivated individual can make a huge impact here. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and apply before this job listing is closed. And again, be sure to read the entire job listing here so you apply exactly how they want you to apply, so your job application just doesn't get filtered out. Now, one more thing I want to cover here, guys. If you're struggling with your cover letters or your resume or doing that stuff and you want some help, I've created the Pro Resume Templates kit right here, where you get 3 resume templates with section by section instructions on how to complete it. You get 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions, 3 matching reference pages. If you need those, you may not need them, but I just put them in there. 3 matching thank you letters. This is something that most people don't really do, but if you're into that, you can use these as well. Everything is fully customizable. There's a simple video in there that shows you how to edit these templates in under 5 minutes, and you can do so with Google Docs, which is completely free. And these are optimized for the ATS system. So if you're looking for up-to-date resume templates, these are some of the best that you are going to be able to find on the internet right now. So keep that in mind. Now, if you guys have ever worked at Porkbun before, since we can't find any reviews on Glassdoor, because again, this is a very small company, so not a lot of people have probably worked here, or maybe the people who work here have been working here, since the company was founded. So if you have any experience here, you can comment down below what that was like. And also, if you've done a similar job, which is like a tech support representative for a web hosting company, comment down below. Let us know how much you were able to make, what is a fair salary or pay for this type of job. And as always, all the best in finding that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.